So one of the things you're required to do is to solder the plug to the motor, and I shall be doing that off camera. Okay, so I've used 4 gaskets, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. I tightened these up till they were kind of pinch tight, and I couldn't turn this by hand. I backed them off and it started to turn, but you can feel it. It's not loose. So these do need bigger gaskets. What I'm going to do is actually find some Lexan, which is nice and thick, and I'm going to make a thicker gasket for either side. Okay, so I've made some Lexan gaskets and I've put them behind the diff covers, and that seems to have solved the problem. So as you can see, it now runs nice and freely. So to recap, when I screwed on the diff covers, it didn't leave enough space for the gears to turn. So I've added 1 Lexan gasket and 2 paper gaskets to each side, and that has left enough space for the gearing inside to turn freely.